Welcome to WAI's course on extrusion special process considerations. Once a material is selected, key processing factors include screw type, tooling design, extruder and water temperature settings, and line speed, all of which must be optimized for consistent quality and performance. First, we'll start by discussing temperature settings and temperature control considerations. Some plastics, like polyethylene, are more forgiving during processing, while others require a much narrower operating window to achieve optimal results. Then we'll cover adhesion and examine how extruder settings, tooling selection, and other process parameters can influence it. In some cases, a wide range of adhesive strength is acceptable, while in others, such as conductor shield strip force on a medium voltage utility cable, tolerances are much tighter and must be precisely controlled. After that, we will focus on post-extrusion shrinkage and offer practical tips for managing it, especially in applications where tight dimensional control is critical. Understanding the factors that contribute to shrinkage and how to adjust the process accordingly can significantly improve product consistency and performance. Next, we will cover compound drying, including the expected benefits it can provide. Proper drying can be critical to achieving optimal results with certain materials. In the last segment, we will explore extruder screw design, focusing on both metering and barrier screws. We'll also examine special mixing sections. Now that you've got a sense of what we'll be covering, in the next video, let's begin with temperature settings and how to effectively control them. Like what you saw in this introduction video? This is just the beginning. The full course is only a click away at WAI's Education Center. Start your learning journey today and take the next step in your professional growth.